So y'all was doubting me? Y'all thought I wasn't gonna drop a video today, huh? I thought I wasn't gonna upload? This how we coming? I thought we was a family. Nah, I'm just playing, man. What's good, Money Mob? And you know what I mean? The rest of YouTube, man. Everybody that's new, but soon to become Money Mob, go ahead, subscribe, like the video. Look, man, we got a crazy video. Based off the title, I can tell. You know, fake cop handcuffs, drunk man gets arrested himself by Atlanta PD, I'm assuming. So look, we just reacted to somebody acting like, I mean, he was technically acting like he was a police officer because, you know, he had got fired months in advance, I guess. He had been got fired type shit, like months ago to a year ago, he said. But he was still posing as an officer. So I guess he was, you know, he wasn't supposed to be doing that, you feel me? Man, y'all go check that video out, man, if you ain't seen it, man. I'm over here talking about all that, man. Y'all go see that video if you ain't seen it. But this is like that on steroids, because they're talking about he handcuffs drunk man. Like, what is going on? What was you really doing? Because you ain't about to arrest him. You not a cop. Without further ado, man, y'all go ahead and give me a like, man. Like, hey, can we get 10 likes on the video? Can we do that? That's a goal, man. Let's get 10 likes on the video, man. That's how I'm feeling with it, man. Y'all, hey, fuck with your boy. You feel me? Let's get it. I believe we can do it, man. The Money Mob, we getting deep, man, and we grown, and we only getting bigger. You feel me? Road to 1,000 subs. Road to 1,000. Let's get into the video without further ado, man. Let's see what they talking about.
What's going on, man?
Somebody just hit us at the red light. This my husband.
Is he okay? Sir? He in handcuffs? Why is he in handcuffs?
I can't answer no questions, sir.
Hold on 1 second. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there.
Oh, man.
Radio, can I get a photo of my location? I have a black male with lacerations to his face.
Get the fuck out of there is what happened. I would bet
What
money
the
on.
hell?
Who took the handcuffs off?
I don't know.
What the hell is... Bro, these videos is always crazy, bro. What? So there was a car accident and somebody came and put him in handcuffs. What the fuck? Look, first of all, somebody hit them is what we're hearing so far. Somebody hit them. Was it the same person that put him in handcuffs? Like, what the hell is going on? You feel me? What is up?
Yo, whose car is this?
Huh?
Whose car is this? Hey, how did he wind up in handcuffs, Lev? How did he wind up in handcuffs?
Sir, we just left the strip club.
Which strip club?
Peaches.
Peaches? Okay. I got you. Over on RDA?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay. Did you guys get into it with security over there?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
All I know is that's my husband.
Gotcha. Tell us.
I'm gonna grab your...
Bruh, why the hell she don't know what's going on, bro? This shit making me mad, bruh. What is going on? Y'all pissing me off, bro.
Appreciate it.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You're good. What's this? 1306 radio. Fuck around like you use the car? What do you work for?
Homeland.
Okay. Did y'all have some shit up here a little bit ago? Male and female get into it with anybody?
Yeah.
Left in a pair of cuffs?
Yeah.
Alright, what was the story with that?
They were just drunk,
Alright.
and
Whose handcuffs is he wearing?
mine. He took off. He jumped in the SUV and took off.
Yeah. I mean, it's Metro to Fair, so like almost down to 166. Wiped out real hard. Hurt some people, hurt themselves.
Oh.
Here's what I want you to do for me, okay? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your firearm off your side.
I'm just, my fault, guys. I'm just sitting here reading like everything, just like I'm sure you guys are. I'm trying to really understand what the hell is going on. Bro, what? This is some wild shit, bro. So he's a security officer, but he's saying, so he doing the same type shit basically, I guess. He trying to say he got a bigger position than he really got. He trying to say he Homeland Security. But I still don't understand that. If you Homeland Security, fuck you doing? Putting handcuffs on this man. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's something I'm missing, bro. I don't know, bro. Yo,
Okay.
You got just syrup out here?
Yeah.
All right. Place that in my car. I'm gonna detain you for right now.
Okay. All right.
Right now, you are not under arrest. You're just being detained for the further investigation here. Do you have a key to your handcuffs?
In the car.
Keys in the car?
Yeah.
Who's the radio through?
eBay. Nobody.
Okay. Is that a Homeland radio?
No.
where's the radio from? eBay? Whoa, what is...
Okay.
He's
Figure this for a minute.
sick.
Okay. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car for a minute, okay?
He said, take that shit up. He said, give me back my chain. You feel me? He took that shit off. He said, give me that shit. We really do this shit. Nigga, give me that. Yo, this is crazy. What the hell is wrong with people, bro?
But never registered it. The license plate is off of a Bluebird school bus from Tucker, Georgia. That's how he got a GB tag.
Radio check this thing.
At least he had an official police car, but the license plate ain't right.
That's PA. Is it just a scanner?
Why do motherfuckers wanting to be playing cops and shit? Why y'all fake playing cops out here? Why are people doing that, bro?
The jacket in the back seat is just a regular old raincoat. It doesn't say police on it. Got it? Beautiful. Put this in the bag with all the other evidence, because that's going to be evidence also.
You don't have blank. So I guess it's not.
Dumb as hell.
So we just asked her.
I wish they would have had his charges up there, bro. Bro, this shit is crazy. Y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think, man. That was definitely, that got to be one of the crazy, not one of the craziest, because we seen the dude that was at the house and his mom and whatnot. If you ain't seen that, just go check that. Just click my profile, just click my page and go watch all the videos, man. They all crazy, man. Look. That joint messed my head up. Bro, why do people keep doing shit like that, bro? What's going through your head when you go get a police car and you go get the outfit? You said, you think you really law enforcement? Bro. He done caused little people to get into an accident and some more shit, bro. Hey, man. Y'all please get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Let's get 10 likes, please. Just 10 likes. 10 ain't a lot. Come on, man. I can do that for you, man. Look. But it's been another one, man. It's been another video. I done dropped for y'all boys. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Y'all know it's going to be the next one. Peace. Wait. I appreciate all the support also. For sure. All the love. We had 200 subscribers. We running it up to 1,000. Peace.